Do I really need to do this?
Yeah, you have to fucking do this, okay? Dr. Rakesh said it was fucking necessary.
You know, this makes me uncomfortable.
Good!
I don't like doing this.
Yeah, fuck oath you don't.
Hi, I'm Matt.
You're too high.
I'm too high.
Yeah,
Can
you're
you
too
just
high.
raise the camera?
I'm the fucking talent, okay? I don't do the camera shit. I'm helping you.
Okay. Is-
Yeah, you're in shot. Go.
Hi, I'm Matt, and this is Matt's Microwave Minute Meals. You've arrived at my YouTube video where we make microwaved meals in a random minute. This week on Matt's Microwave Minute Meals, we're making noodles. Whenever I get noodles, I feel like a Catholic priest in an all boys school. So much selection to choose from. You have chicken noodles, beef noodles, nigiri noodles, my personal favorite, chili noodles. These babies will really make you feel black. For this meal, we're going to need a kettle, a microwave, a bowl, an onion, some eggs, a knife, and a cutting board. Step 1. Preheat the water. Step 2. Slice up your onion. So now we need to cut our onion. As much as you'd like to, please don't cut your fingers off. There, all done. Step 3. Place your noodles in the bowl and add the water. Now that the onion's done, we're going to put our noodles in the bowl. Step 4. Place the bowl in the microwave for 2 minutes. Step 5. Remove the bowl from the microwave after 2 minutes. Now we've got to drain 90% of the water be sure to leave only 10% of the water left for the sauce. Step 6. Place the liquid sauce into the noodles and stir. Add the chili flakes. Now we're going to add our sauce. If you like your asshole red, make sure you use the spicy one. Chili flakes. Just gonna mix it until it's all combined. Step 7. Add your eggs. I like a bit more protein in my diet, so I'm going to add a few eggs. Special ingredient. Step 8. Enjoy your noodles. Bon appetit.
No, we're not.
It's a hard knock life for us. It's a hard knock life for us. Instead of treated, we get tricked. Instead of kisses, we get kicked. It's a hard knock life.
There we go.
Oh.
And action.
Jesus
Your show, mate.
Alright. Apparently these are the world's hottest noodles, and that's what we just cooked in the episode, and we just cooked enough for us all, and we're going to go ahead and try them for you. So,
Yeah.
bon appetit, everyone.
Don't fuck my Romano.
Jesus Christ. Oh, fuck these
Big bites. Cheers, boys. Cheers, boys.
No, thank you. Oh, why is one
Touch
of
the
the
tips.
yours?
Oh, yeah.
Oh.
Oh, you got the last, some of the last bits.
It's actually pretty decent quality noodles.
They're good. They're good noodles.
They taste good. Oh, yeah, these are growers, not sure.
Ooh.
Definitely growers. Oh, God.
Make sure you get the peppers on them. They rub it in your eyes.
Yeah, just rub your lips all over it. Oh yeah, these are fucking good.
Holy shit. They're brilliant, man. Alright, bro, that's
It's
a good.
chilly, but I think I'm gonna have to. Man, you're gonna have to tap out. No, I'm gonna confirm this.
No, tap out, boys. Oh, it got really hot in here real quick.
No tapping out. They'll finish.
But actually, it's better.
Does it?
Come on.
Just keep going non-stop. Yeah, it actually gets better.
Is it just, does it like back of your throat feel like you've just been...
I don't know, but your lips just covered in.
Yeah, the lips.
I just feel like I've swallowed the devil's juice. Like,
You know, if you stop, it gets worse.
No, stop.
I just thought.
Mate, fuck.
That's it. Do we need some water, boys?
I may have given you some of the juice diesel.
Oh, fuck. Oh no, I'm salivating. Oh, man,
That's gonna have to come off real soon.
where's that custard?
You don't get any.
Pretty sure Z ate it.
No, you got well, finish the bowl, Z. Finish the bowl.
Fuck off! Cut! Oh!
You have to. The worst is, this is how bad it is going in.
Oh.
Wait till it has to come out. Then it's bad.
That's what I'm looking forward to.
Oh, fuck that.
Just a fucking cleanse. Oh, I fucking finished.
Oh, yeah. I have to finish it. Oh my fuck, dude. I wish I was putting it on for how hot this is. It's actually really hot.
Oh, fuck. Yeah, now that you stop, you're gonna feel it.
Oh, yeah, I know.
As soon as you stop, it's back.
Oh,
Oh, please.
fuck, I'd rather drink fire than fucking eat this.
Hold on. Oh, my lips are going numb.
All this for just $8 a packet.
What the fuck is in?
You clean the bowl?
I'm saying shit, man. Oh,
Clean bowl, bowl's empty.
Oh,
Now that, oh yeah, 100% once you stop, it's so much worse.
This is 8,000 Schofield units.
That's nothing.
oh, fuck.
What, do you want some hot sauce to numb the pain?
Yeah, just fuck.
Well,
Oh,
you
Thanks
get
for watching.
I'll show it.
I am so fucking. Oh,
If we haven't hung ourselves by the next time we see you, we'll see you next time.
And
Motherfucker.
fuck this, dude. This is absolute. Where's my rice pudding? I'll spread that shit around. Fucking hell. Where's my rice pudding?
oh, fuck, but oh, fuck.
Don't throw up, Zed.
Yeah,
Where's want some rice pudding?
Oh, that is so good. That helps a lot.
Oh,
This helps.
No, bro.
Dude, this helps, trust me. It's like the tomatoes.
Hello, Hoppy.
fuck. Yeah. I know.
That helps. Dip in.
Jesus Christ.
You're actually crying.
Fuck this dog, please. I'm fine. Oh.
This is worse than having AIDS. This is worse than my tattoo, man.
Oh, what tattoo?
Both my tattoo.
Yeah, which one?
Oh, which one?
you had some on your hands and you showed your ass into your tattoo.
Oh!
Tattoo.
Yeah, dude. It's not even the best one, bro.
Please.
Gotcha.
Got him.
I'm gonna actually kill myself.